Welcome back to Bearded Lumber. We're not in the sawmill. We're in the mechanic shop. So this is Matthew's project. He can explain it to you.
I ended up buying this Yukon a few weeks ago, and apparently it's been running on 7 cylinders since I bought it. Found out the other day that one of the, what's this called again? My brain has lost it.
Coil Pack.
Coil packs has went bad. We're gonna just replace it real quick. That's that one out.
Okay, guys. We're replacing the number 2 coil pack on a 5.3 liter Chevrolet, which would be the front one on the passenger side of the engine. We diagnosed this the other day, had a slight skip, went through and unplugged each coil pack while the motor was running to see which one had a positive and negative effect, and this one wasn't doing anything. So most likely it's a coil. We're hoping it's a coil. That's normally the fix for it, but we shall find out here in a minute.
You go grab a magnetic dish.
Yes.
What are you? You're gonna be longer. Okay, take that off. And that little bracket there is in the way.
Of course.
Get all the other ones off without.
In case y'all don't know, we love engineers around here. They do some of the world's smartest things.
Come on.
Back to the 7mm.
Yeah. Oh, come on. You can do it.
Go ahead and snap the plug off of it while you got it screwed in. Save yourself the grief. And the other plug for electrical. There you go. What was the new part?
It's just a coil pack.
I know. How much did you pay for it?
I don't know.
$50 on Amazon?
Not much.
Oh, it wasn't that much. Okay.
$16.
Oh, yeah, $16 on Amazon. Yeah, it's well worth the effort to try to fix it yourself, guys. You got a 5.3 6 liter. I got an 8.1 liter in my Chevrolet. It's got the same coil packs.
Oh, come on. Alright, loosens up for a second and then tighten it back up. Got it out there now.
I'll change this setting. There you go. Okay, we got the old one and the new one. They appear to be identical, which is a good thing. We're gonna put it on and give it a try. Well, Matthew's gonna put it on. This is his project.
There's one started. There's the other one. Any day now. All right.
They make power tools for that.
Maybe I. Oh, this. Found the plug wire that fell.
Your little bracket. Why don't we try it before we put it back on? Because I'm gonna unplug it and see if it took care of the skip. Get your stuff back and we'll give it a whirl.
Leave it there. You need the light. For you and more.
Okay, guys, he's gonna crank it up, and I'm gonna unplug it and see if we cure the skip problem. You hear the motor is looping along. I'll figure it that way. When I plug it back in, you hear it even out. Problem solved. Okay, Matthew's got a little bracket to put back on there, and we'll be done with this project.
Couldn't work on something without driving it.
Nope, always got to drop the socket.
Luckily.
Okay, guys. Oh, spin you around here. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. It's a little how-to tip for you guys. We run a sawmill. We do sawmilling, but we're liable to work on anything around here. Tractors, houses, whatever. We don't care. We'll piddle with anything.
Especially on rainy days.
Especially on rainy days. We were working on our kiln building, and Thunderstorm rolled through, so this become the next project. Thank you for watching Bearded Lumber. If you would, like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.